In April 2025, Lucy Go became one of the youngest self-made female billionaire in the world, surpassing Taylor Swift. So, this is the story about Lucy Go. Let's get started. Lucy Go was born on October 14, 1994 in Fremont, California. Her parents were immigrated from China and they both were electrical engineers. Her parents rarely spent money on toys or any other unnecessary items. That's what pushed Lucy to start earning her own money at a very young age. She mowed lawns, sold Pokemon cards, and colored pencils in order to fund the things she wanted. She even learned to hide her money creatively, like in the middle of Harry Potter books or some other hiding spots, because her parents used to take away her money as a punishment when they saw unnecessary spending. But Lucy Go found some other place of hiding money, that is, storing money digitally through PayPal. She taught herself programming and earned money by developing bots for online game Neopets. She enrolled at Carnegie Mellon University, where she studied computer science and human-computer interactions. There, she started participating in coding hackathons and started winning prizes. At that time, she felt that she was learning more at these hackathons than in college. In 2014, she got a golden ticket, the Thiel Fellowship, a program that offered students $100,000 to drop out and start business. But her parents were not happy by her decision of dropping out. They thought she was throwing away her life. But Lucy knew she was just getting started. She moved to Silicon Valley, landed internships at Facebook, and became the first female designer at Snapchat. But the most important connection came at Quora, where she met a 19-year-old dropout named Alexander Wang, who shared her technical brilliance. Then, in 2016, they teamed up to start Scale AI. Their idea was to do the hard, boring work that makes the artificial intelligence possible, that is, labeling data. The company exploded in popularity. The US government and huge tech companies became their clients. Just 2 years after founding Scale AI, the company became unicorn. But in 2018, Lucy made a decision that surprised everyone. She left Scale AI due to some disagreements with Wang. Lucy did not sell her shares. She retained 5% stake in the company, betting that the company would continue to grow even without her. Then in 2025, Meta bought Scale AI for $25 billion, and Lucy's 5% stake in the company was suddenly worth $1.25 billion, making her the youngest self-made female billionaire in the world, surpassing Taylor Swift. After leaving Scale AI, Lucy did not rest. She launched a Backend Capital in 2019, a venture capital firm that focused on early-stage engineering startups. During the pandemic, she noticed that her creator friends were struggling to make a steady income. That's when she realized that creators like YouTubers and influencers need a better way to run their business. So, in 2022, Lucy founded Passes, a platform that allows creators to post content for their paid subscribers. This platform includes deals with talent ranging from Shaquille O'Neal to gymnast Olivia Dunn. Lucy spent years living as digital nomad before planting roots in LA. In 2020, she bought a $6.7 million Miami apartment where her legendary parties sparked conflicts with neighbors. Then, in 2024, she added a $4.2 million West Hollywood home. Then, in 2025, she went big. She purchased a $30 million mansion in Hollywood Hills. Lucy's billionaire status has not changed her routine. She wakes up at 5:30 a.m. and does 2 back-to-back Barry's bootcamp sessions and works until night. Lucy is a true believer in frugal living. She claims to drive a Honda Civic and buy clothes at Shein. Because to Lucy, wealth is not about flexing, it's about having the freedom to build, take risk, and live your life on your own terms. Lucy's story teaches a simple lesson that you don't need anyone's permission to build your future. Whether it's hiding cash in Harry Potter books or building a billion-dollar company, Lucy proved that if you work hard, trust in your ideas, anything is possible. Bye.